a century of innovation, an age of prosperity, a company passionately striving for its mission, serving the country through industrialization and strengthening the enterprise with the technology. Zaozhuang, the jewel of South Shandong, is famous for being the southeast gateway of Shandong province. The city, adjoining Qingdao Port, Yijiao Port, and Lianyungang Port, is connected with major arteries such as the Beijing-Shanghai Railway, Beijing-Fuzhou Expressway, and the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. It is a well-known new energy industry base. Heter Electronics Group Co Limited is a brilliant rising star of Zaozhuang over its 130 years history industrial civilization.
海特电子集团是一家专做磷酸铁锂储能电池的企业。我们从这个正极原材料、正极材料到电池单体，到派克组合、管理系统及其轻型电动车，是拉成一个完成产业链的企业。我们生产的磷酸铁锂正极材料，在同行业成本比另外几家企业国内的低50%以上。同时，我们家也拥有国内、国际的专利，奠定了海特未来的发展的基础。
Heter Electronics Group Co Limited, located in the Thailand Industrial Park in Zaozhuang's high-tech district, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the green and new energy. It is the only enterprise in China that has implemented an industry chain development model encompassing lithium-iron phosphate anode materials, lithium-ion battery units and packs, lithium battery management system (BMS), supercapacitors, and full electric vehicles. The group has under its portfolio a series of subsidiaries, including Heter New Material, Heter Electronics, Heter Yuanzhou New Energy Co Limited, Golden Cell Technology Co Limited, Lampuson Electronics Co Limited, and Coal Mine. The group offers a wide array of products such as lithium iron phosphate anode materials, lithium iron phosphate power batteries and battery packs, lithium battery management system (BMS), supercapacitors, lithium ion cylindrical batteries, lithium ion bottom batteries, and full electric vehicles. It has over 10 Global 500 level clients, including the US General Electronics, China Mobile, China Unicom, and CSIC, as well as sales in other military and civil industries. Heter Group was founded in 2003 with a total investment of RMB 6 billion, including an RMB 2 billion investment in the new energy industry. It occupies over 20 hectares of land area. The group has built 220,000 square meters of standard factory plants with the production lines capable of producing annually 20,000 tons of high-performance lithium iron phosphate material, 1 billion ampere-hours of lithium batteries, and 1.2 billion ampere-hours of power battery system, and 600 million units of supercapacitors. Innovation, our core competency. While continuously expanding into the civil markets, Heter Electronics Group is also actively exploring the military industries. It has acquired the military product size license in 2009. The group is the only lithium battery manufacturer to receive the military product access license issued by the People's Liberation Army General Staff Headquarters, and it is also the only enterprise past the CCS certification with batteries applicable to the civil and military vessels. Currently, there are no national or international standards for lithium iron phosphate materials, batteries, and battery modules in place. Heter Electronics Group has not only established its own enterprise standards, but has also drawn up 5 local standards of Shandong Province, approved by the Shandong Bureau of Quality and Technical Supervision, on the basis of well-established technologies and products. These standards include General technical specifications of lithium-ion secondary batteries. General technical specifications of lithium-ion disulfide batteries. General technical specifications of supercapacitors for electronic equipment. General technical specifications of lithium iron phosphate battery packs for electric vehicles. General technical specifications of lithium iron phosphate anode materials. Battery management system is the technical difficulty in China and the rest of the world. In order to overcome this difficulty, Heter Electronics Group and China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation (CSIC) jointly founded the Beijing Heter Yuanzhou New Energy Company Limited, which is committed to the R&D and production of battery management system, effectively ensuring the development efficiency and application effects of BMS. In addition, Heter lithium iron phosphate batteries also benefit from the replacement program of lead-acid batteries on Chinese ships, granting the products preferential purchasing choice. In 2011, the New Energy and Lithium Iron Phosphate Industry Chain Production Project, developed by Heter Electronics Group, was listed among the first group of strategic and emerging industries under the 12th Five-Year Plan with Shandong Province, i.e., as the Shandong 12th Five-Year Plan key project for development. It received project supportive funds of RMB 33.16 million from the NDRC. The lithium iron phosphate anode material project, with an annual capacity of 10,000 tons by Heter, is blessing having Vice Chairman Mr. He Lu Li in the foundation laying ceremony. Quality, our never-ending pursuit. In order to improve the quality of supercapacitors and explore the high-end supercapacitor market, Heter Electronics Group made an additional investment of over RMB 50 million in the supercapacitor project in 2010. It has set up high-standard factory plants, introduced 2 full automatic production lines for button supercapacitors, 4 for cylindrical supercapacitor with a monthly production capacity of 10 million chip supercapacitors, 30 million button supercapacitors, 20 million cylindrical supercapacitors, and integrated modules of various specifications and models, catering comprehensively to the needs of customers at different levels. The company cooperates with the professional supercapacitor research institutes from universities and colleges. Here's where experienced key technical steps and strives to forge Heter Electronics Group into a world-leading manufacturer of supercapacitors through an outstanding management team, a stable workforce, a comprehensive production management, and quality control. Talents, the primary productive force for our development. Talents are the primary productive force for the innovation and development of an enterprise. Heter Electronics Group currently employs over 1,200 staffs in the new energy sector, with the academician workstation and a mobile postdoctoral station. It has excellent cooperative relationships with many highly renowned domestic universities, such as Tsinghua University, Peking University, Nanjing University, and Hebei University of Technology. The group also contracts reputable experts and equipment suppliers as technical advisors, ensuring the progressiveness and stability of the group's products and technologies. In addition, the group allocates 30% of its annual profit to R&D and has set up a research institute in our headquarters, actively searching for the top technological research talents in the industry. It has jointly established a provincial-level new energy R&D center with famous universities and institutes such as Fudan University and Hebei University of Technology. Today, the group has over 90 R&D staffs. 80% of them have doctorate degrees, with nearly 100 patent grants and patent applications. Heter Electronics Group, dedicated to becoming the leading provider of green new energy, is striving to generate a steady supply of green and clean energy for the world. We contribute our fair share to the harmonious and sustainable social development with our technological innovation, unremitting pursuit, and profound experiences in the field of new energy. In this new market, Heter Electronics Group will fully exploit its competitive advantages to achieve quality and stable development. Looking into the future, is utterly confident in our capability to reward the loyalty of all customers with premier products and environmental-friendly energy, answering our shareholders and the society with excellent business performance. Shandong, Zaozhuang, grown from the capital of coal mining industries in the past into the pillar city of lithium battery power today. Heter is a grand vision for the new energy industry. The gathering green momentum of the modern industry development is carrying the Chinese lithium battery industry into the unforeseeable future.